Page 20, O come all ye faithful. At the bottom of page 21, there's another stocking stuffer with more sight reading and things for you to do. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I don't really cover it in the lesson. I want to talk about the faithful thing. Let's look it over. I see it's about 5 lines long, and there's no repeats or anything, so we're just going straight through it. Treble and bass clef, 4/4 time signature, and we have a pickup beat. Now, the hands are kind of playing together sometimes. So it's kind of hard. Do I take it? When I learn a new piece of music, I like to do it one hand at a time. So I make sure I understand what each hand is doing. But when most of the piece is one hand at a time, it's just easier, quicker, to take them both hands together. So I'm going to try and take both hands together, but then like when measures 9 and 10, I'll have to talk about each hand separately for a bit. So at the beginning, the right hand is starting on middle C here. And the left hand has a third finger on G here. So we're here in this position. We won't stay here, but we're starting here, and that's what I'm after. So it's 4-1, 4-1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. You get the idea? I don't want to play it all for you. Let's go down to measure 8. That's the last measure, second line, you're here. And during the rest, they tell you to lift. Isn't that sweet? All you're going to do is you're moving here to here. Lift means lift up. Well, you do that for the rest anyway. I don't need to tell me. But what they want you to do is move. You lift and move. So it's here, it's here. So get ready to play this chord. So you're going from here, rest. So it's here, a measure 9. Both hands are here, here. 1, 2, and measure 10. The left hand, the right hand's just got the whole notes, but the left hand you have a D and a G, and then a C and a G. So you're going to here. While the right hand's doing that, at the same time. So starting in at measure 9, it's here, and here. Now, I can't connect the chords. I have to lift up. I have to lift up. There's a little silence between each one. But I want the right hand connected. So don't lift up in the right hand just because I lifted up in the left. Don't go. No. Keep the right hand connected. So I'm lifting up here by keeping that down. There. Yeah. We have to learn to do different things in the hands at the same time. That's all part of piano playing. And then a measure 11. They tell you to prepare the left hand, isn't that nice? You have to move. And you can see that if you look at measure 12. I mean, you got to be here. So obviously you have to move. So move. Somewhere in there, in that measure, move. Measure 15, you have a whole note. And again. 18 here, a G and a B here, and then as you're playing this, you got to get the left hand back down here. You're ending there. So you're doing a little slightly different things in the hands, and if you have to, you work on it one hand at a time until you can get it. Then I go back through and get rid of any hesitations. Go as slow as you got to go, doesn't matter, but no hesitations. Once I have that, I'll think about the articulation to hear the phrasing. They have it for you. Connect all this. Lift up. Lift up. It's like taking a breath. Connect all that together. Of course, you have to lift up for the rest. And then here, I already talked about this. You connect the right hand. Now lift up. Up between the phrases. It's a very short lift, but nevertheless, it's like a quick breath is all it is. Then the dynamics. MF, mezzo forte, has some melody. Well, it's all melody at the beginning. Yeah. Measure 9, though, the melody's in the right hand. These chords need to be soft. So I'm sort of heavy in the right hand, and I'm very light in the left hand. this takes time to develop, that kind of control where you're playing at different levels in each hand, but just keep at it. It comes eventually if you'll just keep at it. Then the last note on page 20 has a P for soft, softly. And it's all of a sudden. So the last measure on page 20 was here. And then I measure, what, 15 or so, you get the hairpin. Start getting louder because you want to be loud by the last note in that line, but don't get loud until then. So now. So each one of these, I'd like 2 beats at a time. You just go up just a hair. Now. So take your time getting up. You're not going up very much. You're very soft or moderately soft. The left hand is very soft here. Now, moderately loud, loud. And then last 2 measures is the right hand that's loud. The left hand's in the background. This is sort of soft. So this is heavy, and this is light. At the same time, it takes time. You'll get it. Then the speed, well, about where I was going. It's a moderate. I tend to play a little fast, I guess. It's just majestic. Yeah, it's close enough. Now don't copy me, please. You read the music, you get into it, you feel it, you make it yours. Let's play it together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. And I'm not going to do the dynamics, the louds and softs. I'm going to do it all about the same. We're not performing it. We're just checking notes and the rhythm. So I'll give us 3 counts because we come in on beat 4. 1, ready, go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, rest. 2. 3, off. Now there's a duet for this. I'd like to play that, and you play what we just played. I'm going to alter the duet a little bit, so I'm playing something on every beat because we got to stay together. And again, I need you to go up on the keyboard. So just pretend that middle C instead of here is up here. And instead of here, you're up here. Play it all up here. I'll give us 3 counts. We're going to go a little faster, but still it's not a fast piece. 1, ready, go.